man intentionally rammed his car into a restaurant, killing his own daughter and another person. Police say the driver targeted his daughter, a 26-year-old, a sheriff's deputy, and a dozen others, including other family members who were also injured. Witnesses say he brought his family into the surf and turf lodge before getting up and then smashing into the building. He is now in custody.
Another violent confrontation aboard an airliner, but this one has an odd twist. A hard-of-hearing couple was aboard a Frontier flight to Orlando with their two children and their service dog. Well, another passenger apparently took exception to the dog and punched it in the face. When the woman who's pregnant tried to intervene, the man then punched her in the stomach. The altercation continued all the way into the Orlando airport, where police were called. The suspect, 59-year-old Timothy Manley, was not arrested, but the FBI is looking into the situation.
Well, that one-year road diet, as it's called, a pilot program along Venice